ICT, it's honestly a beautiful concept, but you have to have the strategy behind it. So let's not waste too much time. I'm going to show you exactly what my strategy is. It's very simple and very straight to the point. You can start implementing it today. First, what you want to do, come down to the 1 hour time frame, do a little top-down analysis. So on the 1 hour, first thing we have is the sell side liquidity. Then, not only that, we also had a fair value gap, which was right over here. So the second I saw that we had a fair value gap on the 1 hour time frame and a sell side liquidity, not only that, we also had a SMT with NAS and ES. It was a no-brainer that we want to go up. So the second I saw that, I was like, okay, let's jump down to the 1 minute time frame. Let's find an entry. So jump down to the 1 minute. Now, what do I see? Usually, I do tend to look for a market structure shift, but as you can see, there's not really a market structure shift over here. Yes, we do have these series of downward candles, but then we have this bull candle. So that kind of breaks the push down. Not only that, there's no real like sweep of a low. So it wasn't the best. So let's mark it out now on the 1 minute time frame. From what we see, we have a sell side liquidity, which is very nice as well. And we have this inversion fair value gap. The second we saw this inversion get taken, we automatically we put our entry. Yes, it was a bit high, but I always like to wait till a candle close because on the bright side, this was also an inversion. So we had two inversion fair value gaps. So I took the entry, stop loss went right below the last low. Yes, it's a bit risky, I understand. Usually you do want to aim for the previous low, but this would have been too high of a risk to reward ratio. I mean, too low, so I didn't want to risk it. But standard deviation from the highs right to the fair value gap, and we target that -2. So let's see how we would have done. And honestly, we could even held to that -2.5. So guys, very simple strategy. It's honestly very straight to the point. Anyone can trade this. It's really not difficult. You simply just have to align the time frames because that's what ICT is. It's aligning time frames because time is so fractal. You have a fair value gap, sell side liquidity, SMT, 1 minute time frame. You have that sell side liquidity again getting swept with an inversion fair value gap. It was a no-brainer that we were going to continue up. So I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Very straight to the point. Didn't want to make it too long, but it's honestly as simple as that. So go ahead, go back test. And also, I have a link down below for my Discord. So if you're interested in joining and trying to get into a little community, and if you want to connect with me, I'm always there. I'm active. So are my members. If you are interested, link down below. Leave a like, subscribe, and I hope to see you next time.